Hi friends, I am Ankit and today I will show you how to find all unread emails from a specific email ID in Gmail. Friends, while cleaning your Gmail inbox, if you want to search all unreaded emails received from an email ID so that you can very easily delete all those received emails. So to do so, you simply need to open your web browser. Now here in your web browser, open gmail.com. Now here in your Gmail account, you need to type a command in the search bar. Now enter the email address of which you want to find the received unread emails. And press enter. Now in results it will show all the unread emails received from this email address. So to delete all these emails, you simply need to select this checkbox. Now it has selected all the emails on this page. Like in my case, it has selected 100 emails. Now you need to click on select all messages that match this search so that it will select all the emails. It may be 500 emails or in thousands or lakhs. It will select all the emails received in your inbox which are unread. So click on select all messages that match this search. Now it has selected all the emails received from this email ID which are unread. Now click on this delete button to simply delete all these emails. Now a confirmation pop-up will appear. Now after reading it, click on OK. Now it may take some minutes. Friends, it has taken couple of minutes, but as you can see, it has deleted all the emails from our inbox, and now all these emails are shifted to the trash folder. Now here in this trash folder, all these emails will be kept for 30 days. After that it will automatically deleted. So friends, like this you can very easily find all unread emails from a specific email ID in Gmail. I hope you find this video useful.
If you like the video, then press on like button and don't forget to subscribe our channel and press on bell icon to receive email notifications free of cost.